Now we're going to look at arithmetic sequence word problems, because the reality is that we don't use math in isolation, we use it in the real world. And you probably already use this, and you just really haven't thought about it before. So we're going to start with this example. A bag of cat food weighs 18 pounds at the beginning of day 1. Each day, the cats are fed a half a pound of food. How much does the bag weigh at the beginning of day 30? So, I already know this is an arithmetic sequence because it says I'm feeding the cats the same amount each day. So it's constant. I have a constant. That makes it arithmetic. And I'm going to say D, or my common difference, is negative 0.5 because I'm taking away food, hence I'm subtracting. Since the bag weighs 18 at the start, my first number, or a to the 1, is going to be 18. My n is going to be 30 because that's the number I'm looking for, and D is going to be negative 0.5 because that's my common difference. We're going to write a rule because I don't want to sit here and do 18 minus 0.5, minus 0.5, minus 0.5, minus 0.5, 30 times over. We're going to be efficient about this. So remember what I said. A to the n, any number, or a sub n. I keep saying a to the n. A sub n, any number, equals a sub 1, or our first number, plus n minus 1. Because remember, if I'm starting on day 1 and ending on day 30, I'm making 29 more moves times my common difference. Because repeated addition, or in this case repeated subtraction because it's negative, is multiplication. So I'm going to substitute 18 for a sub 1, negative 0.5 for D, and 30 for n. And I'm going to fill in my information. We're going to simplify our expression. I'm going to get 18 times, or 18 plus 29 times negative 0.5. We're going to multiply it out. 18 plus negative 14.5. Add them together, and I get 3.5. So there will be 3.5 pounds of cat food remaining at the beginning of day 30. Let's look at one more word problem together. So each time a truck stops, it drops off 250 pounds of cargo. After stop 1, its cargo weighed 2,000 pounds. How much does the load weigh after stop 6? So the sequence is arithmetic because I'm losing the same amount of weight from the cargo every single time. Now, because I'm decreasing by 250 pounds, that means my common difference is negative 250. And since the load starts at 2,000 pounds, my a sub 1 is 2,000. And I'm looking for the 6th term after the 6th stop, so n will be 6. We're going to write our rule. Remember what I said. A sub n, any number, equals a sub 1, my first number, in this case 2,000, plus n minus 1 times our common difference. So we're going to substitute 2,000 for a sub 1, we're going to substitute negative 250 for our common difference, and we're going to substitute 6 for n because that's the stop we're looking for. And we're going to fill in our information and simplify. So I'm going to get 2,000 plus 5 times negative 250. I'm going to multiply 2,000 plus negative 1,250. Add them together, 750. So that means there are 750 pounds of cargo remaining after stop 6. Now it's your turn.